Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The acidity of phenols depends on the stability of the phenoxide ion, conjugate base, formed after loss of the proton. Electron withdrawing groups, EWGs, stabilize the phenoxide ion by delocalizing the negative charge, thereby increasing acidity. Electron donating groups, EDGs, destabilize the phenoxide ion and decrease acidity. Moving on to the next step. Identify substituents and their electronic effects. A. Phenol, no substituent, baseline acidity, pKa 10.0. B. 4-methylphenol, pCresol CH3 is an EDG, hyperconjugation induction, donates electron density into the ring, destabilizes the phenoxide ion less acidic than phenol. C. 3-nitrophenol, number 2 is a strong EWG, at meta position it stabilizes the phenoxide primarily through inductive field effect, resonance cannot directly delocalize into the O from meta position, more acidic than phenol, pKa 8.4. D. 4-nitrophenol, number 2 is a strong EWG, at para position it stabilizes the phenoxide through both inductive effect and direct resonance delocalization of the negative charge onto the oxygen of the nitro group, through the ring, maximum stabilization of phenoxide ion most acidic, pKa 7.1. Moving on to the next step. Rank acidity. Order of acidity: B. pCresol, A. Phenol, C. 3-nitrophenol, D. 4-nitrophenol. And for the final step. Why para-meta for nitrophenol? In 4-nitrophenol, the negative charge on the phenoxide oxygen can be delocalized via resonance all the way onto the nitro group's oxygen atoms, para-resonance pathway, providing extra stabilization not available in the meta-isomer. This makes 4-nitrophenol more acidic than 3-nitrophenol. Why other options fail? A. Phenol, no EWG to stabilize phenoxide, baseline acidity. B. pCresol, EDG, CH3, decreases acidity below phenol. C. 3-nitrophenol, EWG stabilize via induction only, less effective than para-resonance. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.